Okay, so I'm happy to be here again because that my previous TriSwift session was 2019 in New York, and thank you for coming. Yes, so I'm Freddy from Japan. So today I show a new way to edit video with Final Cut Pro with Swift. First question: have you ever edited a video? Oh, with Final Cut Pro? No. If not, Final Cut Pro is a great tool to start your video journey for Swift developer. Let me show you a travel video from my YouTube channel edited with Final Cut Pro. Okay, this is the opening video of my series, Traveling Around the World in 12 Days. It shows how I excited was and how much I enjoyed the journey. And this is how I edit this movie in Final Cut Pro. In timeline, I just adjust the length of clip, like this, and apply effects by drag and drop, and add title by drag and drop, and change font as I want, and apply effects by drag and drop. Yes, so as you can see, Final Cut Pro is a powerful and creative way to capture your memories. When I first started using Final Cut Pro, I had one thought that I use auto-generated voices and as subtitles for them. This is done at the final stage of editing, which makes the process very time-consuming. Yeah, putting subtitles is so annoying. So this is how the subtitles are shown in timeline. And as you can see, there are many title elements, and I added them all by hand at first. Yes, so we want to hack it to solve it. Let's start hacking Final Cut Pro with Swift. In fact, Apple provides two SDKs to build a tool for Final Cut Pro in Xcode. First, the FX plug is focused on creating motion graphics effects in Final Cut Pro. And we can create effects by using metal and import them into motion. So how do we use them? This is a video showing pixelated filter created with FX plug. After building the project in Xcode, the filter appears in motion, where we can try our metal-based effect like this. After some adjustment in motion, it can be exported as a Final Cut Pro plugin. Workflow extension lets you create helpful tools for Final Cut Pro like Timeline Inspector. It's easier to understand what the workflow extension SDK can do by actual tools. This example controls the playhead, yes, this red line in the timeline, letting you move it precisely with buttons, like press 1 second and just start and end like this. Yes, but this approach isn't enough. They don't let us edit elements on the timeline. For example, we can add and edit titles or clips. Okay, let's change mine. Let's change mine and hack the Final Cut Pro project itself. In fact, Final Cut Pro projects can be exported as XML, so we can edit them and re-import it into their Final Cut Pro. This XML is called FCP XML, and Apple provides documentation for it. Let's see demo what I created by editing FCP XML. This is a simple video titled, What We Can Do in Final Cut Pro. I've finished editing it, so let's add subtitles.
Hello everyone. This is a video to explain about how to hack Final Cut Pro with Swift.
Yes, this has no subtitles. So yes, I built a macOS app that generates subtitles using speech framework. After importing XML, it transcribes what I say using a speech framework. Like this. Oh, very small, sorry. And it looks like it didn't recognize well in hack, so let me fix that. Yes, this has hug, but I fix by hand. Okay. Now I import the edited XML back into Final Cut Pro, then go.
Hello everyone. This is a video to explain about how to hack Final Cut Pro with Swift.
Wow. So hacking SPXO, thanks so much. So hacking SPXML is a way to make videos more creative. This is a simple example, but if you understand the specification, you can do almost everything. But don't forget, these tools are still powerful for boosting your creativity in Final Cut Pro. And I want to say that Swift isn't just a language, it's a creative tool. With the frameworks like Pigeon, Speech, and Meta, and Final Cut Pro, you can build movies that directly enhance your creativity. And build your Final Cut Pro tools and Mac OS apps. And non-engineer creators can use them easily. So I want to say, enjoy your video editing life by hacking it. Thanks, and please check out and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are interested in how I use Final Cut Pro. Thank you.